Welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into a topic that usually makes people groan, sweat, or clutch their wallets.
Let me guess, Florida property insurance?
You got it. But hold on, don't tune out, because for the first time in forever, I actually have some good news.
Good news about Florida insurance? Did I wake up in an alternate dimension?
I know, right? But seriously, a new report from ALIRT Insurance Research just dropped, and it says the market is stabilizing. Stabilizing? After the last few years? Yep, they're calling it a rebound from the low point of 2022. Apparently, the financial strain is finally easing up. That is huge.
I mean, 2022 felt like the system was about 2 seconds away from total collapse. Just to remind everyone, back in 2022, it was a disaster zone. You had litigation costs skyrocketing, massive losses, and insurers were literally going out of business left and right.
It was a mess. If you owned a home there, you were terrified your insurer would just vanish.
Exactly. So what changed? Did the hurricanes just decide to take a break?
Not exactly. It seems the legislative reforms are actually working.
The report points to those reforms adopted in late 2022 and early 2023. They changed the litigation rules and tightened up underwriting practices.
Ah, the legal stuff. Cutting down on those frivolous lawsuits probably saved a ton of cash.
Big time. And because of that, companies are actually willing to do business in the Sunshine State again.
That's the key, right? You need competition. So are we talking like 1 or 2 brave companies coming back?
Try 18.
Whoa, 18?
Since the reforms, 18 new or relaunched insurers have either entered the market or announced plans to. 6 of them started writing policies just in the last year or so.
Okay, that is a legitimate turnaround. That's actual options for homeowners.
And here's the other big indicator: Citizens Property Insurance Corporation.
The insurer of last resort. Basically where you go when nobody else will touch you.
Right, their policy counts are finally going down. People are shifting back to the private market.
That is the healthiest sign you could ask for. You don't want the state holding the bag for everyone.
Alert also looked at the financials of about 37 Florida-based insurers. They found better balance sheets and improved operating results.
So they aren't just surviving, they're actually stabilizing their bank accounts.
Exactly. Alert has this scoring framework they use, and the scores are up. It's becoming a more sustainable and investable environment.
Investable. Music to Wall Street's ears. So who are these new players? Is it the big national names coming back?
Interesting mix. The report mentions reciprocal insurance exchanges and interest from private equity firms in managing general agents.
So smart money is looking at Florida and saying, okay, we can make this work now.
Pretty much. It's not radioactive anymore.
All right, I'm going to be the buzzkill here. Is it all sunshine and rainbows?
You know it's not. The report definitely has a proceed with caution sticker on it.
Let me guess. Hurricanes?
Always hurricanes. Plus, global reinsurance pricing is volatile, and there's always the risk that politics could reverse those reforms.
Right. One bad storm or one bad law change and we could slide back. Totally. But ALERT concluded that right now, the market is in its strongest position since the mid-2010s.
I'll take it. It's not perfect, but strongest in a decade is a win for Florida homeowners. Absolutely. Let's just hope the weather and the legislature cooperates. Thanks for listening, guys.
Catch you next time.